What's up? What's up? What's up, Otter Gang? How are we all doing? Holy smokes, Batman, whatever you want to say. We're getting movement in the charts. We're coming to them fresh. We're coming to you ready with a plan, with some new stuff. Is there a big crash coming? Well, that's what we're here to figure out, because you know what? The market's moving without a lot of volume, and I feel like I'm missing out. Alex O'Crypto, shout out to the Otter Gang. Don't FOMO in because you missed the move. Right choices made in anger cannot be undone. I got the revenge trading, the random setup that's not going to work. Bombs away. Otters out here dropping bombs. The markets are on fire. And these are the only Lambos that we're going to be driving out of here in our kids' Lambos. So we're trying to make Otters great again. We're coming up with a plan. We've got the memes. We've got ideas. We've got a plan. So here it is. Let's reset. Let's start again. Fresh 4 hour. Let's pull our fixed range volume profile from here. Let's adjust these point of controls. Let's look at this spike over here. This POC is here. Okay, we're doing all right. We're doing all right. That's what we keep telling ourselves, right? But we are. We're doing okay because we've got a plan on how we want to attack these markets. Now, I want to be a bit more precise with this. So, I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to pull this one. Oof, that's moved quite a bit. You know, we have these very big volume spikes throughout. So we have to be careful. We have to know our support and resistances and where we're coming in. We currently have had a dump, right? You can see the dump. And did we catch this? No, we did not. We were out doing some grocery shopping, living a good life, missing the charts, and being upset. Now you can see I do have an alarm down here at 16.4, waiting for us to come down to this area down below between the value area high and this, or value area low, and this bottom box, which is a Fibonacci. Now, what happened? What happened? Why did we miss this? Well, I wasn't ready for a move to the downside. I was looking for more upside. So if I zoom in on the 1 hour, we can see that we have been working our way up, right? We've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bingo, bango, and we got stopped out at this level of resistance right here. You can see the purple line on my market Cipher support and resistance, which also gives me the good old VWAP, which we are currently underneath. You can see the VWAP here spiked up, reset, and now we're underneath and working our way down. Now, I thought we were going to come up to this box here. I had 16.7 marked out, ready to short this thing, and I missed it because it stopped right out. It double topped, as you can see right here, and it shot us downwards. Now, you can see this continuation of a higher high and a lower high, right? Momentum waves, right? Coming downwards, right? Which shot us right down, right? Shot us right down. And we had really no chance. Now, I was looking at the 8 hour, the 6 hour, and where we had a beautiful, beautiful setup, in my opinion. This is why I thought we were going higher. We had a beautiful setup that showed beautiful, beautiful higher highs here, right? And lower lows here, or lower highs, right? So we still have this in play. Not as much, but it's still in play, right? Especially if we get a little bump down a little bit further here. Right? So this is still in play, but we still might have to wait, right? We've wicked down quite deep, just like this one, right? And we can expect more downside unless proven otherwise, right? Unless proven otherwise. This seems to be holding the support here. We'll go into lower time frames and take a quick peek, readjust our levels, readjust all of these things so that you guys have fresh new levels and you're ready to trade these markets. So I'm going to zoom right in because this is clearly a downtrend. So we know that we're in this downtrend. We can see that we're working our way down, right? Will we retrace and come back down? Well, that's what we're here to figure out, right? Me coming to these charts fresh, I'm going to pull fibs, I'm going to pull volume, and I'm going to see if we can get any good retracements. Now, my first look at these charts is, did this bounce off of here, right? So I'm going to pull the fib from, I'm going to actually turn this off so you can see it better. I'm going to pull the fib from the down low here, all the way to the top here. Bingo, bango. And we can see that we have touched the golden pocket, right? We've touched the golden pocket. Well, what does that mean for us? We came down, touched it, came back down, touched it, right? So where can we expect to go? Can we come lower and bounce up to 786, or can we come higher, right? These are the levels I'm looking to trade. Right now, we're coming back up to this key level. This key level at 16,520, right? We've made a new level of support and resistance, right? So I'm going to mark that out on our chart. I'm going to mark it out on our chart, right? So that we can trade these things. Let's go down to the 12. One of my favorite times to trade after getting a perspective, right? So this big loop, right? This big loop, we can see that we got, okay, I do not have the circle drawing tool out right now, but we can see this is here, right? Can we get a little cup in handy, right? Can we get a cup and handle here, right? That will shoot us down, right? That's a possibility. You see a nice arc here, right? Nice arc. Can we build a handle, right? That's an option, right? These are things I'm looking at, right? Because we have very, very weak volume. Now, when I said at the beginning of this video, we have weak volume, let's look at what brought us down initially, okay? So what happened? If we zoom right in here to the nitty gritty, we zoom right in here, you can see right here, this first one that brought us right down. This is the one that caught me off guard because I had been watching the charts, but I wasn't ready to short the charts, right? Because we were working here, we were going higher low, higher low, higher low, right? Here we didn't manage to get above here, right? So this would have been my first signal. We didn't manage to get above here, right? That we could have been coming down, right? Then we got a lower high here. And this should have been my signal, right? This should have been my signal. I should have been ready, but I was out. This would have told me to short it, right? Come down, put in a lower high or a lower low, right? And continue bang to the downside. Now the lower volume that I'm talking about, I was like, this isn't gonna dump. Look, we came down on this first one. Look, it teased us. You can see how small this one is here compared to this one here, right? We can see that clearly, clear as day, right? So they teased us. They got some people to probably long here at this support, and then boom, punched right through, right? Now we've worked our way back in the past hour or so, right? We've worked our way back up. We're trying to flip this into support and remain in this range. Now, what is the range? I will move this box here. I will put this as our top now, right? This will become our top. This will become our bottom. And we will trade this range. Right now, I'm looking for a long. I'm not looking for a short. Yes, we are moving downwards, right? But I'm looking for a short entry. Overall, I'm looking for a short entry. But right now, as a scalp trader, I'm looking for a long, right? I'm looking for a long. That is my plan. So where will I look to long? Well, this one's coming up and it's touching here. I will look for this to create some sort of divergence, some sort of pattern to say, hey, we've had a couple touches up here. We're working our way back up. Higher lows, right? And then I'll look for something where it comes this way. And then I get a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful divergence, right? And then we short it back down. Because right now, the market sentiment is bearish. If you're not aware of that, it is very bearish. I saw that crypto faces in a short. I've seen many people trying to short this market. But we have to remember, what's the problem right now is that people are away from the charts. The big whales, the big, investors, they're not trading right now. It's going to be New Year's tomorrow, New Year's Eve. So if you are trading, which I have been, I took a long from here. Where was it? I took a long from here up to here in profits, took it, enjoyed it, took my profits, and then I missed this one, right? So there are trades to be had here, a little bit of leverage, whatever. Risk management, number one key, right? Risk management. But right now, I'd be looking for us to work our way back, flip this to support, and more downside, right? I'll be looking for a short entry. If you join the Discord, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Much love to all of you. We're out here, even on the hard days, even when there's not many people around, we're out here trying to give you levels, trying to help you out, trying to get you to be profitable traders, showing you my ideas, my thoughts on a daily basis. So if you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate you smashing that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We get daily videos all the time. We're out here trying our best to create a profitable, healthy, fun, loving community. You know, we're all about positivity and a good laugh. So if you want to join the Discord, the link is down below. And I'm in there constantly. See, this is the thing, is that you have direct contact with me at all times. My ideas, my thoughts. I've made some good calls today. I've shared my trades, and you know, we're out here trying to secure the bag. So I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to turn on my prices. Let's adjust anything that isn't up to date. We're going to bring, oopsie, Control Z. We're going to bring this one back. We're going to bring this price back down to here. We're going to bring this price down to here. We're going to add a new one right to here, which is the top of that range. We're going to zoom out for you. Double click on the screen to get rid of the bottom. Right, we're going to zoom out for you, go to the 1 hour, and don't forget to write these down. Now, my long-term thoughts are obviously we're heading down, right? We're heading down. We might have a little bit retracement here and there, but overall we're heading down. I could see something like this where we could come up and back down. But I believe that we have to go and test these 16.2s out, and if we don't, well, we can look for some upside to bounce off any one of these with divergences, with confluence, but take these levels, look for a setup, look for an entry. Remember, practice good risk management. I'm trading short positions, long positions with very, very close and tight stop losses, right? So that I can let the trade run, right? So God bless you. Love you all. Be safe out there. Remember, the markets are unpredictable. Sideways and dump, sideways and pump. So be careful, protect the bag, secure your profits early, and be safe out there. I love you all. Take care, and have a happy and safe New Year's. Peace.